Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Windows on VirtualBox. So for that you have to go on any browser and you can just search VirtualBox download. This web page will open and you have to click on this link and this web page is going to open, and after that you should click on Windows host. When you click on this, the downloading going to be start, and after that is the simple procedure to install a .exe file. So after that, when we click on it, we have to go on machine. You can see I have already have Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 7. You just have to go machine, then new. Like you have to type the name Windows 7 new. I'm putting too many W because I have create lots of machines with the name with this name with new, so I have to be different every time. So the other thing is machine folder. The folder is going to be C users Abhishek virtual VMS and my host machine. So the type is Microsoft Windows and the version is 64-bit. Here, the thing is that you have to be uh, 64 if your host system is 64. If your host system is 32, you cannot go with 64. If your host is 64, you cannot go with 32. So mine is 64. I will go with 64. I just click on next. So this is the RAM memory size. Like my laptop has 16 gigs of RAM, so I can go up to half easily. Like I can go with 8 gigs, but I don't need that much. I just need 2 gigs. So I just put it's in megabytes. So I just click next. So I have to create a hard disk right now, virtual hard disk, because the thing is that when we start the installation, the Windows going to install on that virtual hard disk. So that is why we have to create it right now. The hard disk file is the type is VDI disk image, and it should be dynamically allocated because a dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up to the maximum fixed size, although it will not shrink again automatically when the space is on it is free. And the size of your hard disk, I choose 15. I don't need too much. And this is the location of your hard drive is on your host. So create, and here we have Windows 7. After that you have to attach ISO file. So it's must to attach ISO file, and you should have a ISO of 64-bit if you are creating a 64-bit Windows. So choose a file, go to I have Pro Plus, guest editions, Windows 10, correct Windows 10, 7, XP. I have all ISOs. You can ask me on comment. I can send you that. I can share the link for that. So if I want more hard disks, I can create by clicking on adding. I add and create. Sorry for that. It's not that. Yeah, create. Not on that. And you can create. So as VDI, the same procedure that we did already for the hard disk. So I don't need it. So just click OK and start. So English Windows 7, that this is the same ISO. So just we have to click start. You have to make sure this here the same ISO. So this is the language and keyboard input method. Just click next and install now. Our Windows is going to be installed on the hard disk that we create. Yes, I accept the license terms and next. For me is custom. Yeah, you can see where do you want to install Windows. So this is the hard disk that we create. More we can add networks to our window. We can learn a lot of things. We can share the folders with the host and guest machines. Uh, we can add hard drives. There are a lot of things that we can do with virtual machine. So it's a interesting thing to learn. It's going to be restart several times on the time of installation. Yeah. So we just have to type the name, whatever you want, you can type. And this should be different. This should be different. The computer name, the username. You cannot go with the same name. So the password. I don't have any product key. So ask me later. Next, home network. It should. Mine is home network. You can choose whatever you want. Here we go. We have Windows. We can play a lot of things. It's interesting. It's like on my Windows 10 I have Windows 7 and I can create how many I want. I can create Windows 10, I can create Windows XP, I can create whatever I want. So this is the Windows. Thank you guys. Please like.